Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this class where I will be teaching on AI and prompt engineering, or artificial intelligence and prompt engineering. Right? This is going to be like a level 1 physics class, and I'm going to keep releasing a series of teachings as regard prompt engineering and the use of AI. Okay, so I am Renzi, and this is the Renzi Skills Impact. Yes. Okay, so for those of you that have been following me for a longer time, I've happened to have thought about artificial intelligence and what it is, also its purpose and why it is here. But I'm just going to summarize, right? AI is an intelligence that was designed by man. Very simple definition. A computer intelligence that was designed by man, a computer system that was designed to be able to operate itself based on its command or programming. Makes sense, right? Good. So that's for that about AI. Now we have so many AIs out there, right, for different purposes, right? We have the generic AIs that we mostly use of, right? But then there is a technicality behind the use of AI that so many people do not understand. As a result of that, they make use of AI expecting a certain result and they don't get the desired result because they don't know that technical part. They don't know the study behind getting an AI give you a particular result, and that's what we want to study in this video. Now, that is actually the skill of prompt engineering. It's a powerful skill. All right, we all need to know how to prompt our AI appropriately to give us the desired results. Now, what is prompt in the first place? Prompt. In a very simple word, the word prompt means to command or to instruct. So the act of prompting my computer or my AI device is simply to instruct. Do you understand? I'm giving it a command. That command that I'm giving it is what we call prompt. Exactly. That's instruction that we give our computer systems or the AI is what we call prompt. So engineering is the use of it, is the manipulation of it, is the understanding of it, is the working on it, being able to use it, being able to understand it, being able to implement it. Okay. Now, let's go higher. In prompt engineering, we have series of studies, right? But we're going to look at the most basic in this class. What do you need to understand firsthand or first off when it comes to prompt engineering? Now, I'll make it in 3 major things for this video. I think I'll now do it like a part 2 for like a higher class, right? So let's look at these 3. This is what I like to call it. It is the when, why, and how. When, W, why, that's the W, right? And how, WH. Okay, so when, what do I mean? When prompting, give your AI enough information to work with as at that time. That's why it's the when here. Another word for this is the context. What context are you writing with? That is, give your AI a background information about the thing you are asking of. Let me give you one example. I'm a baker, right? And I'm looking to, I want to get a recipe for, let's say, chocolate cake. How about that? Chocolate cake, right? So I want to get a recipe for is chocolate cake recipe that I want. But in order to give my prompt more context or give the instruction more context, more information, more background to work with, I can start off by saying, I am a baker, or I am about to bake, or this is why I am baking. I'm baking for my younger sister's birthday party. I understand. So that is when context. Right? I believe we understand when now. Adding context to your prompt. Many times we don't add all of this. So the AI does not even know why you are asking what you are asking. And it may just give you a generic answer that may not be exactly what you need. All right. Then the next one, it is the why, which is now exactly what you are prompting for, exactly what you want to achieve, exactly what you want to get. Why are you giving this instruction? What is the instruction now? That's the part of the why. So I've given you the context, I've given you the background information. Now this is what I want. That's my why. Okay? I want to get or generate an image for me that has this and this and this and that. I'm giving you my why. I need a recipe for this and this and this and that. Or which other instruction can we give? Define so and so. Explain so and so. What is the meaning of this? Is now instruction, your why, your intent. You clearly state it. Is it explanation that you want? Is it description that you want? See, English also matters a lot. Oh, don't go and be saying description when what you actually need is explanation. Don't go and be saying explanation when what you actually need is more information or detailed information. Okay. So now, with all that being said, the next thing is the how. What is the how? The how is the outcome. Many times you don't specific our outcome when prompting. So the AI just give you, the outcome the way he wishes to or the way it wishes to, right? And sometimes we want more than that, but we allow the AI to guess the outcome. Meanwhile, you can actually specify exactly how you want the outcome to be. All right. So the outcome, the how here now is telling the AI how you want the answer to be. How do you want the AI to answer you? Let me give you one practical example. So let me give you a full example with the when, how, with the when, why, and how. When, why, and how. Okay. Which example will I give? Okay. I want to think of something I've not used before. What else? Well, give me a prompt. Like any command you can give me a prompt. I'll do something I've not used before. Baker, drama.
Sing.
Sorry?
To sing or write script for it.
Write a script. Okay. Okay, that's so much. That's very, very technical. Can we that one's so advanced? Okay, let's say as somebody who is a teacher. Now look at this example, like talking from the when, why, and how. So and this is my prompt. For example, I'm a teacher, for example, right? As a teacher that I am now, and I want to talk to young students at about the age, let's say 15 to 20 years of age. And I want to be able to clarify something for them. And I want to get those information from AI, right? Now, this is my prompt. Let's say what I want to clarify for them is the word government. I want to explain the word government. And I want to get information from what this AI can give me explaining government to them. Okay? So I'll just giving this for an example. Now, here's this prompt. I am a teacher and I am about to explain the word government to a set of students within the age 15 to 20. This is my when. In other words, my context. I've given the AI a lot of background information to work with. Now let's go to my why. My why here now is provide me informations or topics I can treat on as regard government. Did you understand that? In other way, provide me or let's say it like this. Provide me things I can talk about concerning government. This is my why. I want to explain government to this set of students. I want to teach them something. I want to show them something, but I want to get some information from AI. Now, after I place my why, let's now go to the how. So the how here now is, for example, the how always have to be, specific to you. That is, how do you want your results to look like? So for me, I could say list them in 10. Like list 10 topics or 10 subjects I could treat on concerning government. Or I can even go as far as saying list 10 with their benefits and detailed things I can talk about as regard those topics. So I'm telling the AI exactly how I want my results to be, exactly how I want the outcome to be. So it's not guessing or it's not giving me one small work. No, it's giving me enough information to work with based on how I have prepared my prompt. Right? So to conclude this class, what I thought is that in prompting, you must understand the when, the why, and the how. The when is the context, providing enough information for the AI to work with. The why is the intents. What's your instructions specifically? And please, your words must be very appropriate, English on point. All right. Then we have the how. How do you want your outcome to be? How do you want your results to be? How do you want AI to answer you? With that, I'll come to the end of this part 1 of prompt engineer.